So that's been on, I've had the silicone spoon at the bottom, mixed it up, put it back on for about a minute, and now we have a lovely silky buttercream. I am going to now add some Nutella or chocolate to this because I am doing some chocolate cupcakes. These cupcakes are going to have a chocolate filling. So again, I use what's handy. Can you see it? Co-op chocolate spread. You can use Nutella. Now, even though these are chocolate, don't know if that sounds correct. You'll have a look on the back. They've probably got a nut in them. They've probably been made from Nutella, obviously by the name, is a nut. So be careful if you're making cupcakes for your family, and that's okay, but always give the warning for anybody with a nut allergy may contain nuts. So I'm just going to take some spoons. Difficult, as I said, I'm holding the phone. I'm going to put about that much into the bowl. That is just it's a dessert spoon, and I'm going to put 3 of those into 3 of these desserts spoons into the bowl. And don't forget, I've got 250 grams of unsalted butter, I've got 400 grams of icing sugar, and I'm going to put 3 spoons of this chocolate spread into that. So and then I'm going to mix it up for a minute. See you on the other side.